going to be about our giveaway. We're giving away a drone on April 1st, which a lot of people cannot believe it for some reason. I guess because of the date. But this is not a prank. We haven't started pranks yet on our channel, and this is not going to be the first one. So, with that being said, I want to show you guys the drone that we're giving away. This drone is one that can record. It connects to your phone. It's this size here. And it's pretty nice. This one is mine. So I wouldn't be giving you guys anything that I don't have. Just connect this part into here, and then you're able to connect your phone. And once you connect your phone, you can see your drone off this camera here. You see the camera that it has. And it's very cool, you guys. If you don't know how to fly a drone, it's never too late to learn how to fly one. And if you don't want it for yourself, you can give it away to anybody that you love, care for, or, you know, want to be friends with. Win a friend over.
And this is how you put the phone in.
And if you do not know how to fly a drone, there's always sources you can go to. Like YouTube. And YouTube teaches you everything, so you can learn how to fly the same drone on YouTube like I did. Alright guys, we'll be right back because we're going to go fly it. Oh, here, the change of plans is we're not going to go outside. We're just going to like lift it a little bit.
And fly it.
Look, and here is how it's connected to your phone. Focus, there it goes. It connects to your phone like this. Now it's time to lift off. Look. Now fly it. Camila's flying it, guys. She's new to learning. Push it down.